How's it going, everyone? I'm Sean and welcome back to the channel. So, if you've been watching this channel for a while, you'll notice I've taken a little bit of a break for the last while. And there's a good reason, I promise. It's not because anything stupid. It's because, well, I've had some changes in my own life and that has actually resulted in a brand new workshop. You'll see right here. Brand new. You've not seen this background before. I've just spent the last weekend setting it all up and yeah, it's mostly there at the moment. I'm going to have an entire series coming out of building this workshop, kind of kitting it out, building a few tools, setting tools up, just getting into the place, really. So we've got that to look forward to. So I have a couple of updates regarding my channel in particular, and I guess my business. First off, I'm going to be changing the name of my YouTube channel, a bit of a soft rebrand, soft reboot, if you will. We're going to be going from Awen Lutherie, which, specifically Lutherie, the art of building instruments and guitars and that. We're going to be changing to Awen Workshop. It's a small change. The main kind of brand identity, I guess, of Awen, that symbol that you may have seen throughout my previous builds. It's like a circle with 3 rays through it. It's a really nice druidic symbol that I just like a lot. I want to do a little bit more general woodworking, so not only guitars and not getting into the deep diving nerdiness of the guitars exclusively. I'm still going to do that, don't worry. I want to build hand planes. I want to build just nice hand tools, stuff like that. It's kind of something that's been percolating for a little while, and it's a business side that I want to get into. Some of that will inevitably end up on the channel because, well, I think it's quite interesting and I think it'll make good videos if nothing else. From the business side of things, I'm going to have a brand new website coming out soon. Once I finish it up. I'm building it myself, so it's taking a little while because I don't really know what I'm doing, but whatever. On that website, I'm going to be selling tools. I'm going to be taking orders for tools when that's all up and running. But it's also going to serve as a showcase for guitars that I build, and also a place where you can get in touch with me for your very own custom. I'm going to be opening my order book and taking on a small number of commission builds. It's something I want to do regularly, kind of from now on. This workshop is purpose-built for building guitars. So if a custom guitar is something that you might be interested in, a custom guitar from me, if you like my style, what I kind of do, then please get in touch. I'm going to have an email address at the bottom where you can contact me directly, or when the website is up and running, there'll be a contact form there to get in touch as well. And I think that is most things. I think that's going to be everything from me for now, as a bit of an update, kind of to bring you guys up to speed with me, my life, what's going on, the channel at large, and everything like that. So yeah, to some, new workshop, new website, new name, and I am taking on some new customs. As always, thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I hope to see you again soon. And yeah, keep an eye on the channel. Things are going to start moving. Going to have new stuff up relatively soon. Yeah, see you all again soon.